Okay, so last two videos I show it just create the partner account and secure your store actually. So now is the time to create the store, like the direct Shopify store file. We'll design everything, we'll upload product, like all the stuff. So here is the so after visit on your Shopify partner account, interface will be look like this. Okay, so you can also create the store from here and there as well. So let me go here. So we'll create this one actually. So this is for sometimes we will need to take the access from client in the actually. So on the time we can request for the access. So now we can create the development store. So let me create a development store. And now, what is the purpose of this store actually? So create a store for client, create a store to test and build. So what will happen is we'll not go here. Okay. So since we'll work, we'll practice, and sometimes we will transfer this ownership to the client. So is the better to create the create the store for clients. So let me click here. Let me just go with that, and the store name that will be enter on the Shopify URL actually. Okay, so let me give away Fitnerium. So this is available. Look at this. This is available. So let me just give it here. And where is the business located? So it's Bangladesh. I'm since I'm from Bangladesh, so I'm good from with Bangladesh actually. So you can select wherever you are from. Okay. So where would your client like to sell? Okay, so let me go both of this actually. Okay, we'll use this info to help the store setup. Okay, it's, we can keep both in person in online. We can keep both. In is your client currently selling through another platform? No, actually. Let's go and create the account. It will take few seconds actually. So let me wait. Okay, so after reload like once the progress as you can see here last time, so the snipper is snipping actually. So what will happen is here now, let me click here, like they will redirect on this page actually after that. So we have to click here. If we'll have more the organization, then you have to click your the right one actually. Okay, so now this is the total interface of the store on the back end actually. So you can see the home, order, product, customer, content, analytics, marketing, discount, and there will be more under that. So let's discuss about on the next video all those things. Okay, I will make another video for the overview of the dashboard. So let's talk in on the next video. Thank you.